Taguluan River Basin is actually one of those river basins that has a master plan already. And we started, the department started its river control, and I believe that there's a declaration already that there will be no funding for the said programs for next year. I'm just hoping that the big one will not come because many of my people in the municipality of Taguluan will die. Believe me, that river had taken so much life already. Mr. Chair, let me show a couple of slides. This is connected to Taguluan River Basin, but this is for the bridge. 4 slides, Madam Chair. Let me start. Okay. That first slide, Mr. Chair, is the route from Luzon, Maharlika Highway, going to Visayas and the islands of Mindanao. And that red pin there is actually the bridge in Taguluan, where the bridge until now is unfinished. Next slide. Madam Chair, look at that bridge. All those who travel from Luzon, Visayas, go to, that lands in Mindanao and docks in Mindanao will use that road. The only road, no other existing road, Madam Chair. Even those who will use the said road from Laguindingan Airport, the international port, from PBDEC Industrial Authority that hosts hundreds of foreign and local investors, they use that bridge. Look at the picture on the top left, Madam Chair. Yung kaliwa, yun yung ginagawa nila ngayon. Nung gagawin nila, they talked to the local government, a Sangguniang Bayan resolution was made not to allow DPWH, the department, to touch it. Not to touch it, Madam Chair, because it will cause problem in the northern part, not only Taguluan, northern, southern, eastern, western part of Mindanao. Next slide. There, Madam Chair, you touched the bridge. You promised us. I pacified people. The local government, I talked to people. I answered for the resolution. I told them that the department will take care of it. It was declared zero structural integrity, and they had to fix it, but they promised us it will not be long. Every day, that's the status of all those who use that bridge, Madam Chair. Next slide. That is the bridge. Next slide better. There. Madam Chair, Bridge A is the bridge that we are using now, both going to the east and going to the west. One way each, one way. Bridge B is the bridge that they want to fix because that bridge was built during the time of the father of the current president, former President Marcos. Bridge C is actually the alternative where hopefully that we will be able to use so that the cars from the east will use letter A and hopefully from the west will use letter C to avoid the bottleneck. They told us that they will fund it for 2026. Why? Because Bridge B, they said, will be finished 2029. We will not survive, believe me. The town, that bottleneck will not survive until 2029. Now, during the quick meeting with the Secretary, I had presented this already. I pleaded on bended knees. This is the life bridge of northern Mindanao, east and western part of the islands of Mindanao, the port again, the international port, the soon international airport. Madam, Mr. Chair, nung nabigay yung NEP, sabi nila, Sir, hindi pa mapondohan yung letter B, yung letter C, tatapusin natin hopefully by 2026 or 2027. Letter C lang muna, sir. Para lang matapos. Para lang at least dalawa na yung daanan ng lahat ng vehicles, light and heavy. Kasi yung letter B, 2029 pa. When I looked at the NEP, they told me that it will be given a 600 million fund and it will be finished until B will be finished. Nung binalik ang NEP, nawala na yung 600 million. I don't know. I really do not understand and I don't know what to say, Mr. Chair. Can I get, at least, Mr. Chair, the Secretary, how do they want to finish? How do they want to proceed with the said bridge?
Mr. Chairman, I just conferred with the regional director and the director for planning, and they have both agreed already na ibabalik po natin yung 300 million para sa C, 300 plus 300 para po 600 for B and C. Opo, so inutusan ko na po ang regional director at ang director ng planning natin na ibalik po yon dito sa allocation po for Cagayan de Oro para dito sa dalawang bridge na to.
It's not Cagayan de Oro.
Ay, sorry po, Misamis Oriental, I'm so sorry. Misamis Oriental po, ito pong Tagoloan, no? 300 plus 300. So dalawa po, for segments B and C. Opo. So ibabalik po ito, Mr. Chairman. Yun po ang commitment natin, Mr. Chairman.
The good regional director, you know how your department was bashed. Every day your department is bashed. And it pains me because I promised my people that the department will fix it. I actually would like to give the good secretary the opportunity to fix it,
We will
Mr.
fix
Chair,
it
and
po,
we
Mr.
trust
Chairman.
the secretary on the commitments.
We commit, Mr. Chairman, and we will fix it.
Among others, but I will not mention anymore. I know that he has been here since early this morning, but that bridge, I pray on bended knees, I ask and beg. This is for Mindanao. This is for Northern Mindanao. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, Mr. Secretary.
We reiterate our commitment po to restore the two segments po, 300 million each po.